Hi, I'm James with British Customs. Today we're going to show you how to install this up and over risers on this 2024 T120 Bonneville. So we want to start by protecting our tank. Put a blanket or a towel if you have a tank cover. Now using our 6mm Allen hex bit. Take the handlebar clamp off. You can lay them down there. And you just want to throw this back on so we can get the bottom bolts out. Keep them from spinning around. So now we want to take our riser bolts out. It's a 14mm socket. And that's why this job is actually a little easier to do on the ground, because you can turn the handlebars and it's easier to get in on that bolt. So I'm going to pull that out and then I'm going to put it back in just like 2 or 3 threads just to hold the riser up. Now again, 14mm. So now we can pull this one all the way out and then we can go remove the other one and the riser. So now underneath the risers, you had these 2 washers here. We want to remove them. These washers are made to fill that gap right there. And the new risers don't have that gap. So just in case you're watching this for a reference video, if you're installing any riser, if it's flat like that, you need to remove that washer. If it's got a recess, then you got to keep the washer in. So now I'm going to send our new bolts up. You need to make sure you're going through that washer that is attached to the wire guide. And then we can just spin the new riser on. And once we have the bar on, then we can final tighten. Then we're going to put our bolt in again. Remember, it's got to go through that washer that's part of the wire guide right there. Put that in. Then turn the riser onto the bolt. So now we want to remove these 2 caps. These are 6mm Allen. We can bring our bar on up. Things grip really nice there. So before I final tighten that, I want to tighten the bottom riser bolt here. This is a 14mm socket. Get them snug there. So now we want to tighten these bolts to 38 Newton meters. Okay, they're already there. So now what you'd want to do is sit on the bike, make sure your bars are nice and centered and that they're at the height that you like them at. Levers feel good and everything, and then we can tighten these down. With these, you want to just try and make sure that you got an even gap on each side of the clamp. All right, and we're going to torque them down to 24 Newton meters. And that's how you install the up and over risers. Nice, easy way to pull your handlebars back if you feel like you're reaching too much, get you a more upright position. Thanks for watching.